Hello folks, it's Raphael from Seismic Industries. We're here at SuperBooth, first exhibition for us. Kind of excited to meet all the people here and present our first system. It's the flattest modular system in the world. We aim to produce, and we actually do, I think. We're coming out with a series of modules. It's 17 modules that are available right now. It ranges from generators like our oscillators and analog noise module. Also some utility modules such as sample and hold, ring modulators, a voltage control divider, and several other modules. In the amplification sector, there's a classic VCA module based on a very dynamic TED Corporation chip, the Blackmore gain cell, like somebody probably know of you. And that's combined into our quad mixer, which got 4 VCAs actually built in and allows voltage control of each channel. So it pairs well with some of our modulation sources, with the Quadrature LFO, which gives 4 sine outputs, each 90 degrees phase offset, to modulate the channels of the quad mixer to kind of like give wavetable-ish sounds. That was kind of part of the idea behind designing that module. Then there's a classic LFO for doing other modulation jobs. There are 2 types of envelopes available, a voltage controlled, a very snappy envelope, and there's also a classic envelope which is a bit snappier even, but has no voltage control over the parameters, which makes it a bit simpler in design. Then we have also a VU meter for displaying voltages in our system. It's got 9 LEDs that can display any voltage ranging from audio to direct current, so you can display envelopes, LFOs, or even audio signals. So we can make this faster or just keep it slow. And it's also got jumpers on the back, which set it to uni or bipolar, and also can change the range. But last but not least, we have another feature that is built into our shallow modules. Probably camera can catch it up, yeah. It's these small pin headers. Oops, sorry. They're here to focus. It's a bit too close. Yeah, now you can see them. And these pin headers, actually, they carry all the signals that are available from the front jacks. So when the modules are built into the case, you can pre-patch them already. So you can get rid of a lot of patching cables. If you have a custom setup you like to use, you can pre-patch it, as said. So
they are the thinnest modulars on the market.
Yes, I think so.
And what kind of case is this now?
The case is a custom case. It's milled from a solid block of aluminum, and there are no rails that small, so all the threads for mounting the modules are directly drilled in. So it makes it really sturdy and gives a nice and sturdy feeling for the whole module, for the whole system.
And compatible with other modules?
The modules actually are Eurorack compatible. All the mounting holes and the dimensions fit the Eurorack standard. Also the power connection with the plus and minus 12 volts that all or most of the Eurorack modules use. But unfortunately, none of the other modules are that shallow to fit in the case. But the other way around, it works.
So the case will be also available to purchase, yeah?
Yes, the case and set up like this. I call it System 1, so our first system, obviously.
Yeah.
It carries 15 modules. It's got a power injection power supply unit and a multiple then 2 oscillators, 2 fully analog oscillators, sample and hold, the divider, the voltage controlled, for which can be used as a variable sub-oscillator, ring modulator, the mixer to combine all the signals, a classic ladder filter, then a VCA, 2 envelopes, 2 LFOs, the quadrature and the classic LFO, and a VU meter to display your output
So
and see.
the entire thing is a bit more classical.
Yes, the modules, you can say so, are very classic modules, but they have other things that stick around, like the form factor that is really flat and the pre-patchability that no other manufacturers actually offer. So we actually have the second envelope gating the signals. So this kind of like makes a echoish sound of the system, and the speed of the echo is controlled by the divide module. So I can make it smaller, slower, and faster. Add some resonance to the filter. Yep. Okay, that's some small sound samples from today's patch at SuperBooth. It's already.
Yeah. They're made in Switzerland.
Yeah, all the modules are made in Switzerland. Mostly components are mounted by a Swiss manufacturer, and all the through-hole components I had to mount myself, which the machine cannot do. Panels also are fabricated in Switzerland, also the cases. So.
And the modules begins in the price range?
The price range, I think we're in between other manufacturers. For example, the VCO is 199 Swiss francs. There are cheaper oscillators, there are more expensive oscillators. So I think we're dealing in a middle price segment. It's not as high priced as some people may expect for a Swiss product. So we're in between.
And available now?
They're available now, yes.
From your web store?
Yes, we're currently building up the distribution network. So we have dealers in Switzerland already, soon in Austria, and they're available for international delivery on our web shop.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.